Hello everyone, I am S. Vijay Lakshmi, working as an assistant professor at SNS College of Technology. Now we are going to discuss about a case study on generative AI powered smart resume screening system. Our third CST students are going to take a case study.
So, for this case study, we are going to take a problem statement that in today's competitive job market, the recruiters receive hundreds or thousands of the resumes for a single role. Manual resume is time consuming, biased, and inefficient. So, the empathy view, recruiters struggle with workload and tight deadlines. Candidates face rejections without fair evaluation. Companies lose top talent due to the slow hiring process. So the core pain points, recruiters need a fast, fair and consistent screening process.
Generative AI solution. The purpose and uses of generative AI is here to automate the resume screening. The key capabilities of generative AI is resume parsing, skill job matching, generative candidate summary, and ranking and the scoring. Resume parsing. Extract the text from PDF document of the resume, then identify the skill, experience, education, and certification, etc. of the particular resume, then it analyzes. Skill job matching compares the resume content with the job description, then uses the semantic to understand and obtain the results. Generative AI candidate summary. The AI generates a short, suitable summary like candidate 3 has some uses in Python, ML experience, strong project exposure, and etc. Like this, it gives the suitable and summary of the person. Then at last, ranking and scoring. According to the ranks and the scores, it splits up the personal data of the candidates. There might be a question: why Gen AI? But the major reason for it is unlike the traditional filters, and Gen AI understands content and transfer skills to various resume style. It can be updated according to the user's style. It is useful for communicating with lots of data and make us easy to understand the data. There may be a question: why Gen AI? Unlike the traditional filters, Gen AI understands the content, transfer the skills, and various resume style. It ensures that the personality of the content or the user should be exposed properly and the data should be segregated properly as per the user's wish and understand by the user.
What is generative AI? Why you choose this app?
So generative art, generative AI is generative artificial intelligence. It is a type of AI that can create new content rather than just analyzing the existing data. So it learns patterns from large data sets and generate outputs such as text, images, audios, videos, code that resembles human created content. So examples like chatbots, text generators, image creators, music generation tools are comes under GenAI. So for these criteria, we are going a resume screening system by GenAI method.
Workflow and flowchart of generative AI resume creator. Input. Recruiters uploads their job descriptions and multiple resumes. AI processing. AI read the resumes using NLP and find the skills and it matches them with the job requirements. AI output. AI creates a short summary for each candidate and gives a suitable score. Final result. Recruiters see a rank list of candidates and can be filtered by skills, experience, and scores and download AI resumes.
Impact of ethics and results on resume screening. There is a positive impact where 80 to 90% reduction in screening time, improved fairness through skill-based evaluation, faster hiring, better for business productivity. The ethical considerations are avoiding training data bias, do not use sensitive attributes, maintaining transparency in scoring logic. There are few limitations in resume screening. They are AI may misinterpret unconventional resumes, requires periodic human review, needs continuous dataset updates. Solution: human in the loop approach.
What is resume screening?
So the resume screening is the process of reviewing job applicants' resume to identify candidates who best match the job requirement. So through this process, the skills, the experience, everything will be analyzed through our AI model, and the match of the job requirement and the candidate will be done through the AI. It involves checking skills, qualifications, experience, and keywords used to shortlist the suitable candidate as the best one for the job role. The goal is save time, reduce hiring efforts, and select the most relevant applications. So the generative AI creates new contents intelligently. Resume screening filters and shortlists the job candidates based on resumes. So both these systems are connected. So that is this project.
Now we conclude that this case study demonstrates how generative AI transforms recruitment by using these resume screening applications. It reducing bias and also delays supporting recruiters, not replacing them. Then AI generated screening system enables smarter, fairer, and faster hiring, make it a practical one and also used in the real world AI applications.